Your next car could be the 2019 GMC Canyon. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Here's a well-built Canyon that's right-sized to fit perfectly into your modern lifestyle. Its quiet, well-equipped cabin offers the space, connectivity, and storage you want, while its impressive cargo bed and towing ability give you the utility you need. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, fog lamps, electronic stability control, intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Feel confident and relaxed wherever the road takes you in this capable Canyon. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.